Welcome to All Purpose. I'm Joe. When I think of the holidays, I think of coconut. Well, I am from the islands after all. So I thought of coconut macaroon. Super easy and so tasty. Let's get to it. These are the ingredients. So you're gonna need 5.5 cups of coconut flakes. These are sweetened. It's usually, the bags usually come, it's usually one bag or 2 small bags. You're gonna need 3/4 cup of flour, a 14-ounce can of condensed milk, 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. You're gonna need a line tray and a scooper, small scooper. Okay. So we want to start with the dry ingredients first. So I'm going to go ahead and pour the coconut flakes into a bowl container. Then I'm going to pour in the flour. There you go. And a 4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Okay. Then you want to go ahead and incorporate that, kind of mix it well. Okay, so go ahead and let's go ahead and start mixing the wet ingredients. So we're going to go ahead and pour the 14 ounces of condensed milk. Make sure you get all of that in there. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and add the vanilla, which is 2 teaspoons. Go ahead and mix it. And the reason you're doing this is because it's just a lot easier, and then all the flavors were incorporated in the whole mix, so that way you taste the vanilla all throughout. Okay. Okay. Now you want to go ahead and just mix the wet ingredients with the dry. Then with the spatula, you're just going to slowly mix it in. It's a bit messy, so be careful. Just keep mixing it. Don't be afraid of it. You could use your mixer, but personally I like doing this one by hand because it gives me a good feel of how it's mixing, and it gets messier. I think things start flying everywhere in the mixer. I have better control here. Okay, this is almost done. Looks about done. All right, so now let's go ahead and scoop it and put it in the baking tray. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and just do little scoops. You should fit about 4 across. So I was able to yield 20 small macaroons. So it depends what kind of scoop you have at your home. So I say probably between 16, 18, probably. You need to bake it for 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Let the goodness begin. And here they are. Don't they look delicious? Look at this. Nice and golden. Let me try. These are good. Fluffy, sweet, coconutty, all those delicious flavors. If you're trying to impress in your office, this is the treat. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. From mi cocina to yours, buen provecho.